Hello friends, hope you are doing well during COVID times and keeping yourself busy and positive. Have you ever wondered when you work, do you work to please your boss, your colleagues? Or is there a higher objective which you are trying to meet and you want to give the best you can? Today I am going to share a story with you which involves the great Emperor Akbar and his great musician Tansen. Hello friends, my name is Arun Bhardwaj and I am a success coach. Once there was a time when we all know Tansen was inducted in Akbar's 9 Ratans. He was one of the most respected musicians in Akbar's court, and some of us have heard about the prowess of Tansen. He could sing Megh Malhar and it would start raining. If he would sing Rag Deepak, the lamps would light up. That is the kind of magical power Tansen possessed. Akbar was very impressed with Tansen. And one day after he finished his singing, Akbar said, "Tansen, there has never been a musician quite like you, and I feel there will never ever be a musician like you." Tansen smiled and politely told Akbar, "Your Majesty, you are talking about past and future. Let me tell you, there is a singer who sings far better than me, and he is alive and present in this world." Akbar was very curious. He said, "Who is the singer? I'd like to meet him. Please ask him to come to our court and sing." Tansen said, "No, Shahanshah, this musician will not come to the court and never sing for you. We have to travel to where he lives, and if you want to listen to his singing, then we have to go there." Akbar, as he was very curious, he immediately decided to go to the place where Tansen had mentioned. Along with Tansen, both of them set off, and when they reached Swami Haridas, Tansen's guru's house, Tansen said, "Akbar, we cannot go inside the hut and ask Swami Haridas to sing." He said, "Why is it so? I am the emperor. Everybody respects me. Everybody bows to my wishes." Tansen said, "No, if you want to listen to his singing, then we have to be patient. We have to wait outside the hut." They kept waiting outside patiently for 3 to 4 hours, and when the dawn passed, suddenly beautiful voice and singing started emanating from that hut. The voice was so melodious, so enchanting, Akbar could not control himself. He totally got lost in that music. And finally, when the music stopped, Akbar said, "Tansen, you were right. Your guru, musicians in this entire world, and there can never be anybody like him. Why don't you sing like him?" Tansen said, "Shahanshah, pardon me, but I can never sing like my guru." He said, "Why?" He said, "Because I sing to please you, while Swami Haridas sings to please the God and to give the best to this world." So friends, this is the lesson from the story that we can learn. Do not do things to please others. Give it to your best, because that is what you want to give to this world. I hope you liked the story. If you did, please press the like button and the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. I shall come back to you with another story. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay healthy.